Yeah.
If we time this, I'm gonna re-roll my 50 Priory then, because nobody likes it, or do we want it? What?
Yeah, we don't need it.
Okay.
We're gonna do a 16 Tyndall, like, I don't know. You know what I
Okay.
mean? Like,
We have the 16 in my bag.
Okay.
okay. I mean, we can, if you want to keep it, we can use it to boost it up to another key if you want.
I would just re-roll it for something more fun to push off. Priory's not my first choice of key to run to get a 16.
Yeah, I should have kept the workshop. That's easy to push. But
5,
I didn't.
Don't mind
We
the
have a-
Vader either.
We have a Dark Flame 16, don't we?
One.
Yep.
This is
Ah,
my
that's
key.
what I just
This is
got,
my key.
yeah.
Where's the thing? Where's the thing? I'm panicking.
My meta, my meta,
my
my
God.
meta.
Everyone's
my pot.
looking at me. Everyone's looking at me.
Lap.
I'm not wearing any clothes. I'm in my underwear. What the fuck?
Should have
I'm
put
dreaming, I'm
pants on.
dreaming.
Okay. Serious. We got time this
direction.
hell.
Let's blast.
I'm only getting procs and there's like one mod left. Nice. Love it.
Tight, tight,
Congratulations.
tight.
Right.
Can you put the
Tight, tight,
bullets
tight,
in
tight.
the gun?
Have you tried doing that? In the gun. Oh.
Or the
Oh.
bullets go in the...
Thought I was
Misdirection.
supposed to.
Gateway.
Here you go, Zul.
Shiv.
Fuck you.
It was a pop quiz and you passed.
Cloak of Shadows.
Oh.
I thought I was dead. I saw the light at the end of the tunnel.
Let me get my Mary back in.
Oh, I'm in the honey.
You're in the mead.
Ruining it, Tyndall!
Sorry. Pizza in there.
Misdirection.
I've got green kick.
Scientist kicks. Turtle.
I simply wish you had
Take a
lasted
good
a little
Murdered in
longer.
cold blood.
Better.
I'm sorry, I'm
Dark
sorry,
Pact.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Boiling flame.
It's fine.
Fuck up.
Shiv.
My favorite bartender died.
I'm sad, you guys.
Get ship in a sec.
Cookie if you have it, you need it.
Mortal Coil.
I almost want you to just regular res me.
Yeah.
Just use a defensive or a health pot here and don't fight with
Kill
the
it,
slam.
kill it, kill it, kill it.
Soul Well.
There we go. Fuck.
Kumbaya, my lord.
So, small
Misdirection.
request, stop killing me.
I have a big request.
Yes or no? Maybe? Can I get a
Yes or
maybe?
no?
I
Hot or
second the
cold?
motion of
Shit.
bartender. Keep bartender alive, please.
Alright, it's on me.
Survival of the Fittest.
Ah, I'm dead. Kidding.
Exhilaration.
I was scared.
I was super scared. I popped all cooldowns, defensives.
Thanks for popping your defenses.
Yeah, no problem. It's in solidarity, you know.
Yeah. Tyndall's dying.
It is.
I won't.
Dark path.
I'm doing my.
I'm doing my part.
something that has to be done.
We did it.
Hell yeah.
Nice.